Hi, what's going on, family? Is it time to go big on Ethereum? I know there's talk about having an Ethereum spot ETF being formulated, getting approved by the SEC. Is now the time to go all in? Let's talk about it because it may be. I'm going to show you from the chart perspective why. Let's talk about it. Now, check this out. Did a price prediction in Ethereum back on March, ending of March 2024. Looking for that currency to continue to trend up in price. Initially, it didn't. You guys can see that price fell, broken our buy zone right here. Okay. And then it came down to the second buy zone. So we got the idea of where the buyers are located. Real simple. The last time that the market came down in Ethereum back in the beginning of July, look what happened. What happened? The buyers came back into that buy zone. It's not hard. Just like they did back in May, April time frame. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of that price prediction here. And let's talk about the chart perspective. Here it is on the 4-day chart. You guys can see that we did see these buyers in the market in Ethereum right there. They came back in even in the next 4 days. They still came through and said, look, whoever is trying to sell their Ethereum around $3,000 or $2,880, I'm buying it. And they did. 8 consecutive days. Now the market is on liftoff. So what we need to do, first of all, is identify, okay, we know where the buyers are. Well, where are the sellers then? Where are the sellers in the market for Ethereum? It's probably right around this area. Okay. So we got that area pinpointed as to, we know where they're at. Right there around $3,600 to like $3,625. Yeah, got to keep our eyes on that level as we see the market in Ethereum aiming to go up in price. 2-day time frame. Look at the last 2 days. We got that indication of strength being triggered. My only problem is how strong the market buyers currently are, being so far away from this buy zone around 2870. Do you still think that they're determined? Because on the 2-day time frame, you got that indication of strength. Even on the 3, we got that indication of strength. We're not seeing it on the 4-day time frame, and we're not seeing it on the 5. So what? What will you expect to see into the market in Ethereum? For certain, we know that on this 2-weekly chart that we got that probable precursor of strength. Which simply means that on this current two-weekly price bar in the next 10 days, we want to see the market close higher than the previous 2 weeks. If that's the case, then it's confirmed that those buyers definitely showed up. Take a look at this on the 3 weeks. Again, 10 days, 13 hours, but I like what's being revealed currently. We got that indication of weakness right there on the prior 3 weeks. I want to see the market in Ethereum close back up here at the high of the prior 3 weeks, because if that happens, then it definitely tells us that this particular cryptocurrency is still bullish. All right, so at least get the market 10 days to see whether or not those buyers will be able to inch price higher towards the high that occurred on the prior 3 weeks. Because we even saw right here an indication of weakness, and up fake was garnered on this last printed 3-weekly price bar. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do another price prediction though, but it's going to be reserved and conservative. I'm not going to be drastically bullish looking for the market in Ethereum to make all-time highs yet, but we're going to pay attention to seeing the buyers try to hit this first sell zone, either at the low, which is around 5% at 36.25, or at the high, which is 6.26%, 36.64. All right. If we're able to see these buyers maintain that push, then our next area is going to be up here. Okay. Which is around 11.88%. Now, let's say that Gary Gensler comes out and approves the spot Ethereum ETF. It won't be a problem at all to see Ethereum come back up to around 3850. Okay. So we'll hold that there, and I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Is it time to go all in or not? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.